it once again.
Exercise 8.4, the second sum. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. So other trigonometric ratios means totally 6 trigonometric ratio. Other trigonometric ratio means they are given secant A. So this except secant A, the remaining all the trigonometric ratio we have to convert to secant A. Sin A we have to convert to secant A. Cos we have to convert to secant. Cosecant we have to convert secant. Cot we have to convert secant. So first trigonometric ratio we consider sin A. So sin A we have to convert to secant A. We know very well the first trigonometric identity we can consider sin squared A plus cos squared A equal to 1. Transfer cos squared A from left hand side to right hand side. Sin squared A equal to 1 minus cos squared A. Cos A reciprocal already you know, cos theta equal to 1 divided by secant theta. So instead of cos theta we can write 1 divided by secant theta. Cos A we can write 1 divided by secant A. Here they are given square, so I am writing square. So 1 minus 1 divided by secant squared A. Now we have to do the cross multiplication. Sin squared A equal to 1 minus cos squared A, the reciprocal is secant squared A. So we can write 1 divided by secant squared A. Cross multiplication, secant squared A into 1 secant squared A minus 1. The denominator we can write secant squared A. The left hand side is sin squared A. Now square you transfer to the right hand side. Sin A equal to square, if you transfer to that side will become root. So root of secant squared A minus 1, the denominator also root of secant squared A. Now the denominator square and root it will become cancelled, then you will get square of secant squared A minus 1, the denominator is secant A. So sin A in terms of secant A may change. The second one, second trigonometric ratio cos A. Cos A you have to change as secant A. Already we know very well, directly we can write cos A is a reciprocal of secant A. So we can write 1 divided by secant A. So cos A is equal to 1 divided by secant A. The next one, third trigonometric ratio tan A. Tan A we have to change as secant A. For that we know very well, tan A we can write sin A divided by cos A. Already we found sin A value. So this value we can use here. Instead of sin A, we can write square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. We can use here, instead of sin A, I will write secant squared A minus 1 divided by secant A. The denominator cos A. Cos A also already we found, cos A equal to 1 divided by secant A. We can use here cos A equal to 1 divided by secant A. Numerator also have fraction, denominator also have fraction. Numerator denominator is secant A. Denominator is secant A. So directly we can cancel secant A and secant A. You will get square root of secant squared A minus 1. Denominator is here 1. So 1 means no need to consider. So tan A, any number you divide by 1, the same answer. So tan A equal to square root of secant squared A minus 1. So tan A trigonometric ratio we changed in terms of secant A. Here sin A in terms of secant A we change. Cos A in terms of secant A we change. Next tan A in terms of secant A we change. The next one, fourth one, cosecant A we have to change as secant A. Cosecant A we have to change as secant A. Already we know very well cosecant A is the reciprocal of 1 divided by sin A. Cosecant A is the reciprocal of 1 divided by sin A. So 1 the denominator sin A. The sin A already we found the answer, so we can use here sin A, the reciprocal we have to consider. The denominator sin A we can use here. Instead of sin A we can write this answer square root of secant squared A minus 1, the denominator secant A. So fraction we can take as a reciprocal. If you take the reciprocal, you will get secant A divided by square root of secant squared A minus 1. So cosecant A we written as in terms of secant A. The next one, fifth one, cot A we have to change in terms of secant A. For that already you know very well, cot A is a reciprocal of tan A. Yes, cot A we can write 1 divided by tan A. So 1 I am writing as it is, tan A. Already we found the answer. Tan A equal to square root of secant square A minus 1. Now this value I am substituting here. Instead of tan A, we can write square root of secant squared A minus 1. So cot A we written as in terms of 1 divided by square root of secant squared A minus 1. So sin A also we change, cos A we change, tan we change, cosecant we change, and cot we change. That's all.